Welcome to Shtbox Garage. That's probably stupid. So a couple of things have changed on the Miata since my last video. If you remember, the muffler was chopped off with a sawzall. Now it has a nice little pipe that goes where it's supposed to. Got it welded in. Looks much more proper. I also got this thing for the shifter so that huge gusts of wind don't go through the car when I'm going 50 miles per hour or above. The problem I was having before was that the exhaust was not going out from under the vehicle and instead getting sucked up through that hole and shot up into, where me and my girlfriend sit in this vehicle. So now there are no more exhaust issues, other than the fact that it is loud as shit. So I saw on Facebook in a group that I'm in that tonight there is a cruise, and we're going to be driving from this meetup place over to the Lake Mead Overlook, which is about 5 minutes from the Hoover Dam. And I'm hoping that it's not too dark, that I can get some decent pictures, video, because I enjoy taking pictures and video. What I don't like are most of the meets here where people have V6 Challengers and Chargers and Chrysler 300s, and that is it. And all they're doing is things like get the police called on us, and then we are not allowed to have any more fun. So hopefully there aren't any people like that, so that we can just have a chill evening. Just got a little bit of gas, time to head out. Greetings. So I made it home, left at about 8 o'clock to head there, and it is now like 1 in the morning, so I'm pretty thoroughly tired. If you watched all the way through, I really appreciate it, because you're probably one of the 5 people that did, so thank you very much. If you'd like to subscribe for more content, keep up to date on the Miata, Subscribe down below. Give it a like if you enjoyed the video. It would mean a lot to me. Peace.